Hi guys, while we are all waiting for CMAT dates to come, CT dates to come, we are starting with this daily brain booster test in which will be uploaded on the Instagram page. Yeah, so please connect with us on this Instagram. So I'm sharing the official Instagram page and my personal Instagram page as well in the description box of this video. So yesterday we tried our first test. So this is one very simple question. Yeah, this question is an actual CMAT ka question. Fine. So whoever replies will get a t-shirt. One winner every day will get a t-shirt or a mug or a pen drive or something, some merchandise from CET. This is just to motivate you to do this thing. ये मैंने कल रात को शायद पोस्ट किया था, कल शाम को I posted this and by night we have got 268 comments, 313 likes but 268 comment. मतलब पब्लिक लाइक मारना उनके लिए ज़्यादा ईजी है, कमेंट नहीं किया लोगों ने. 268 likes. So after out of this we selected one winner. This is the test we conducted yesterday's topic and the winner is this person. I've hidden the name. So if you're on Instagram, you can obviously check out the name of the person who is a winner. I'm going to publicly announce the name so that you have the name in front of us. So please, this person, I'm requesting this person to upload, to share their detail, address and all, so that we can courier then the t-shirt. So we got 200 replies. So this is just to motivate you. Of course, we can't make a winner to everyone. But if suppose I believe in next 30 days CMAT or CET ka date aa jayega, so at least let me do 30 winners. Yeah. So today the lecture, and we are going to try to sync it with the lecture. So today's lecture is based on games का topic. इसकी एज उससे ज़्यादा, उसकी एज इससे कम. So test will be uploaded by tonight. So winner tomorrow will announce the name of the winner of the today's event. To today's question. Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about the exact process for JBIMS, SIDNUM, all the colleges. CET have the same process. So how CMAT scores are going to be counted, how it's going to be evaluated. So let's look at that. So this is the typical trend before the COVID happened. So January the form used to come. Let's say January mid the form used to come. This year form has not yet come. The form this year we have to wait and watch कब आता है. I'm assuming March end में form आएगा. This is during COVID this year. March end expecting the form, and exam which used to happen earlier in March, this year exam might happen in May. That's my tentative date as of now. We don't know कब होगा exam, but the process will remain same. ठीक है, dates is something we have to wait and watch. Otherwise the process remains same. So notification out, exam March end, May end. Okay. Now this is happened the CET. You have to give CET का exam. This is for the master CET. अगर आपको JB जाना है, आपको CET का फॉर्म भरना ही पड़ेगा. You cannot go to Jamnal Bajaj without filling CET का फॉर्म. You are applying through CMAT, you are applying through ATMA-MAT, yes, agreed. But still CET का फॉर्म you have to buy unless they change the process. So this is the process as of today. As of 12 बजे while I am recording the video, that's the process. 1 बजे notice कुछ नया आ जाए तो we can't say about that. This is as per 12 बजे. Fine. So you have to fill CET का फॉर्म. CET दो ना दो बात की बात है. See, for example, if you want to go to IIMS, you have to give CAT, right? Same way, if you want to go to JB, you have to apply for CET का एग्जाम. देना नहीं देना आपके हाथ में. So जन में नोटिफिकेशन आएगा, मार्च में CET का एग्जाम हो गया, मई में आके विल बी द डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन. मई एंड तक, लेट्स से मई 30 को डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन है. At this time, you can submit your non-CET CMAT score, not CET score as well. CMAT का score, ATMA का score, MAT का score, CAT का score, ZAT का score. They can accept any of these exams. So CMAT, ATMA, MAT, CAT, all these exams are valid for all India seats. So anybody in India, including those who are based in Maharashtra, can apply for all these seats. Delhi, Bangalore, everyone can apply for these seats. CET कम है, ये है, वो है. JB, SIDNUM, Willinkar, SIS are the top 4 colleges. Pumba as well. Pumba, COEP, College of Engineering, Pune. Like this top 10 colleges. The top 10 colleges have MS program and the PGDM program as well. So if I take top 10, top 12 colleges, 10 colleges, 120 seats per college, 1200 सीटें. PGDM around double the number of seats, around 2000 seats. So 3200 seats are there approximately in the top 10-12 colleges. तो सीटें बहुत हैं. Fine. And the best part of CET is the ROI. If you compare with CAT, यार तुम IIM अहमदाबाद से कंपेयर करोगे सब बेकार लगेगा. इफ़ यू कंपेयर IIM लखनऊ, JB उसके इक्वल है. इफ़ यू कंपेयर न्यू IIM फ्रीडम उसके इक्वल है. तो डोंट कंपेयर लो लेवल कॉलेजेस लाइक SIS और पुम्बा विद IIMs. कंपेयर विद अदर कॉलेजेस ना, उसके इक्वल का कॉलेज देखो. तो तुम्हें ROI पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू CET मेक सेंस टू गिव. ठीक है, तो अपना CET का फॉर्म हमने भरा. आपको देना, ऑल इंडिया वालों को देना नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ फॉर्म भरना है. मास्टर CET वालों को, रिजर्व कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट वालों को CET देना पड़ेगा. अपना मेन माई बाप है CET का एग्जाम. एंड दिस नोटिफिकेशन इज टेकन केयर बाय DT. दिस एग्जाम इज कंडक्टेड बाय IBPS which will be in March and May. Okay, document verification is combined for all the CET based exams like engineering CET, medical CET, architecture CET, all of them CET is combined, will happen around May. इस बार May की जगह जून में होगा, जुलाई में होगा, जब भी होगा. Fine. Document verification, here you have to submit your scores, 10th की marksheet, 12th की marksheet, you have to submit all your marksheets. Then your cap round will start. Cap round 1, cap round 2 or maybe cap round 3. There is no GDPI for the AMS का seat. No GDPI. There is a GDPI for the PGDM का seat. If you are applying for the PGDM for any of these colleges, wherever there PGDM is, then you need to separately buy the form. But for AMS colleges, you don't need to buy the form. So CET exam हम देंगे. ATMA MAT हम बैकअप के लिए एक एग्जाम दे के रखेंगे. उसमें बेटर स्कोर आ गया तो you'll apply from that also. Then you go for the cap rounds. कैप राउंड इज एग्जैक्टली जो इंजीनियरिंग में होता था. बेस्ड ऑन योर स्कोर यू आर डायरेक्टली गेटिंग एडमिशन. यू आर एलोकेटेड कॉलेज. अगर कॉलेज अच्छा लगा तो ले लो, नहीं अच्छा लगा तो अगले राउंड में जाओ. देन फाइनली द कॉलेज स्टार्ट इन यूज टू स्टार्ट ऑन August 1. नाउ आई कैन सी 2 months का डिले इन ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग. सो 2 months डिले करते जाओ. July 1, September 1, October 1. So you are joining the college by October. Fine. So we are gonna enjoy and join the college, work hard. But अभी का फेज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज अभी तक डेट नहीं आया है. तो लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर फीलिंग हैविंग दिस नेगेटिव एनर्जी कमिंग इनटू पिक्चर, सीपिंग इन के क्या होगा, मेरा क्या होगा, दिस एंड दैट. सबके साथ है, तुम अकेले नहीं हो. फाइन. यहाँ तो तुम CMAT दे के PGDM में जो अच्छा कॉलेज मिल रहा है ले लो. तो बैकअप के लिए हम CET रखेंगे. मुझे एक बैकअप चाहिए. दिस इज़ वन प्रॉमिस आई वॉन्ट फ्रॉम यू. आई वॉन्ट अ बैकअप प्लान. जो भी आपको कॉलेज लग रहा है, IIMs में जा रहे हो आप, SP Jain, Symbiosis, जो भी आपको कॉलेज लग रहा है, we'll keep that option open and then try for the CET along with that. That's my request to everyone. Until the time dates are not yet out, let's start with this daily task on Instagram. Yeah. So that one, from my point of view, it's one merchandise gift. It's not a big deal for me, but if that can make my students motivated, that's the biggest thing I can do. Because मैंने कल रात को पोस्ट डाला है, कल शाम को, and I can see more than 200 replies. So this means that we want to study. हमें कोई डायरेक्शन देने वाला चाहिए. So let me be that directing force so that we can score well. All the best. Monday we are launching our program for CMAT and CET crash course. So in case you want to join, just call the numbers given here for books, mocks or the complete crash course. All the best.